So I already gave you the introduction of the John Keats and theme of the poem. What is the theme of the poem? That whatever the beautiful thing you have seen in your life, everlasting, you have to memorize it, and it gives you happiness and pleasure. So now I will give the explanation of the poem. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases. It will never pass into the nothingness, but will keep a brewer quiet for us and asleep, full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. Therefore, know every morrow are we whether a flowery brand is to bind us to the earth. So here the writer wants to say about the beautifulness he was just describing. He says that that the beautiful thing is a source of endless joy. It has an eternal beauty which forever never fades away. A beautiful thing is like a shady shelter which gives us a sleep full of the sweet dreams, good health, and relaxation. Our attachment, the full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. Therefore, on every morrow are we weathering a flowery band to bend us to the earth. So again he wants to say that our attachments to the earthly things like flowers wither, they are traps which binds us to the materialistic things and keeps us away from the eternal happiness. The earth is full of hearted greed and negativity. According to the poet, the gloom and the sadness caused by the negativity fades away with the positive vibes of the beautiful things that surround us. So that is why he wants to say that spite of desponse of the inhuman deity. So here the poet wants to explain that whatever the beautifulness in near us, that surround us, the list of some of the beautiful things that surround us, like as the saying goes, beautiful, beauty in the eyes of the beholder. It is also said that he says that the numerous creation of the God, like sun that gives us energy, the moon, it's a beautiful and gives us pleasure and romance. A tree which gives us shade are the natural beauties and for example, such natural shades, beautifulness, various animals surround and make our world lively. So that is why he was saying that the old tree and the young spout is shady bound. So he wants to say that some people like trees, so they like they give the play looking of the tree. They sit in the shade of the tree. That is the pleasure for them, and they never forget about that. So this is person to person vary which thing they likes. Next, he said, for a simple sheep, and such are daffodils, with the green world they live in, a clear rills that for themselves a cooling convert make. Giants in the hot season, the mid-forest break. So here he wants to say that there is a beautiful things in our surroundings, and but the various animals like sheep that surrounds us make the world lively. The pretty flowers like daffodils makes the world green and lively. So he wants to say if you want to see the beauty, then it is in your eyes. At everything, if you want to see, you can see the beautifulness. If you don't, so in the everything you will just see the negative.